So, welcome back to the channel.
Fuck.
Welcome back to the channel.
When I was young, my daddy said, gotta keep one eye open in your bed. 'Cause there's a time coming when the devil gonna come for you. So my trigger finger, stay prepared. I've got my weapon and I got my prayers. 'Cause if you don't run this town, they'll walk all over you.
As you can see behind us, Kian's somewhere in there. So we come up this morning and Kev decided to start welding and didn't realise that the inside of the car caught fire. So I will take you in for a closer look in a minute, but yeah, we had to empty a few fire extinguishers inside the car. So we've currently got the car back straight and we're going to pull the dashboard out so it doesn't happen again. And Kian's crying because there's white powder everywhere. So yeah, stick around, stay with us. We're going to pull the dash out, get everything out of the car that is potentially going to catch fire. We should have done this before, but we're just fucking lazy. So yeah, get cracking.
Now I've got to take my fucking dashboard out, which I didn't want to do.
Because it's an uncracked dash.
Yeah.
And now you're going to crack it.
If I crack it, the car's going.
So as you can see, all the white powdery goodness. It looks like someone's just thrown a handful of talcum powder in there.
A handful? Oh, that's generous.
Yeah, so plan is today, pull
Build a
this
fucking
out.
sandcastle then.
I dare you to try and build a sandcastle.
No.
Why?
Because I tip over.
I'll give you 50 quid if you eat a mouthful.
Oh, I've already had a lungful.
That wasn't me. That was me. So, yeah, as you can see, all the carpet and everything's out of it. So we're just going to pull all the dash out and get everything out that probably catch fire again. And probably watch Kian cry when he breaks the dashboard and the door cuts. Fucking S13s. As you can see, clocks are back there. Goes to pull the dash out, and numbnuts hasn't disconnected these gauges.
Oh yeah, because it's so easy, innit?
Unbelievable. Unfucking believable.
Fucking numbnuts. What have you just done?
It's only the gauge holder. It's 3D printed.
Oh.
Very shitly 3D printed. It's bought on eBay. That's how you get a 13 dash out, piece of shit. But fancy Baldwin.
You look really pissed off.
Yeah, I really didn't want to waste like that 2 hours of my life, but I had to.
So if you're new to the channel, that's my 33 Skyline, engine sat there. So it's a bit fucking caked in dust in a minute, but pretty much what we're doing to the 13 at the minute, I've done to the Skyline. It's all Gravitex and seam sealed, everything's all painted white underneath, reinforced subframe, everything like that. Tubbed, and then I've still got my dash in, unlike that piece of shit over there, because he caught fire. So, yeah. But eventually I will get around to turning some spanners on that. But for now, she's just tucked up in the corner, out of the way, and the RB's just sat there gathering dust.
Come on, you fucking arsehole!
Right, we better go find him because he's swearing. How you getting on, bud?
Oh. Oh, but that's fell off there. Don't know. Something like that.
More shit. Ah. Fire.
Fire starter.
That's the shit. That caught fire last time. Or fire starter. You're gonna have to buy some sound, didn't it?
What? What? Sounds sick through the fucking bulkhead.
I think you've been sniffing too much fucking fire extinguisher.
Whee!
Nearly took my eye out. So this stuff is terrible for causing fires, and that's what caught fire. So,
That bit's been on fire as well.
oh,
Yeah, it's actually melted. I can't get the plug out.
you catch fire like that?
Huh?
Catch fire like that?
No, it's melted it. Melody.
Oh shit, yeah. She was on fire for a little while.
Fuck. Really?
Yeah, bad.
I thought the stripping part of this car was over.
That's it now.
Yeah, there's the fire, look. All behind there. Oh!
No, that's rust.
That's rust as well, yeah.
I know you can fucking... It's lucky we did pull that out, to be fair, otherwise that would have set fire
Yeah.
very quick.
True.
Found some more rust. Yeah, mint. And I'm assuming...
goes.
Ah, there it is. Distractions from doing work. Woo. Child. So, as you've just seen, we've finished up the van this afternoon, packed up, just going to let that all dry. I think next week we've got some metal coming, so we're going to make up a frame because the jet engine's going in the back. Not a jet engine, but a diesel engine with a jet on it to jet the drains is going in the back of it. So we're now back in the other workshop and we're going to crack on with a 13. So let's get it.
Yeah. Look at that. Look at that weld. That's a seatbelt anchor. Look, it's been welded by.
Yeah, when are you a wanker?
Wow. Say no more, young.
Is that your lovely code steering wheel?
What? Shout out to Code. You made a shit steering wheel.
What a monkey mess. Where do you start? Oh, yeah, so I'll gutter to put on it. Bun. Well, there you go. We'll get
We're getting there, are we? Fucking hell.
Okay, that's the original winner seal, mate.
No. That's got the Pidgey shit on it. It's got it there, missed it there, got it there, missed it there, got it there, missed it there. Got a bit there, a little bit there, but it's not really got a lot. A lot of it's peeled off, but that is where your safety is. Aye. Hit a tree, go out the window. That's yeah. Man,
I don't know what you're talking about. She's a gem.
it is a gem. Health and safety would love every minute of this. It's bad.
Mr. Vosa wants a word with you.
I don't want it anymore.
Stop him, stop him. Call Bosa, call Bosa. Wow. Not too bad. Yeah. I'll grind well, whatever that is. I'll grind that back, put that in place, weld that all in solid now. Make that super duper strong. We'll put your new inner seal in properly. So you can put your carpet to something. And we'll make a new lip in here. A nice new lip in.
That comes on the inner seal anyway.
Even better, saves me the work. So we'll cut whatever that is. Don't even know if that's original. What do you reckon?
I don't know how long the inner seal is though. I don't know if it's a full length or what. But worst case, if that side's not fucked, cut the other
Well,
one.
that side looks like it's probably still just about generally. Apart from a patch there.
And all the fucking holes.
I think the worst part of it is this side. This driver's side is the worst. It's a Heath Robinson affair. Definitely.
The fuck is Heath Robinson? Who the fuck's Heath Robinson?
I ain't got a clue. Who are you asking me?
Because he just comes out of the weirdest shit. Going.
Well, there you go. Makes you feel better, doesn't it?
Well, that's the end of the episode. Another day, another 2 days actually, on the 13th. Yesterday, unfortunately, I didn't get it on camera, but Kev decided to set fire to the old beast. Didn't you, bud?
Yep.
So he was welding. Where was you welding?
There.
Here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And a little hot rock fell down, went behind the dashboard, and actually, well, set fire to the blower motor, didn't it?
Yeah. Well, it caught all the sound down there, didn't it?
Yeah. So, and Kieran was over there, and it was smoking up here, and he shouted at Kev, and then we ran him round, and yeah, the whole dashboard was near enough alight. So,
Then Kim was like little ET.
well, we all were, to be fair, running round trying to find a fire extinguisher, even though there's about 50 in this building. So, it's just when you need one, you can't find them.
I was more worried about my uncracked dashboard, to be fair.
Well, yeah.
Yeah, but you wouldn't have blamed me for cracking it. You would just blame me for melting it.
He's got a point. It's still uncracked. It's just melted.
It just melted.
So, and then obviously you see us do the van. We've got to do a bit more to that. We've got to put shelving up and stuff like that.
Quite a bit of that.
Yeah. And then obviously we come back and did some cuttings. And then Kieran cried more because he found more holes and more rust.
And had to order more panels.
And had to order more panels, yeah. So, you've now got inner seals coming, didn't you?
Yeah.
Might as well do.
Got me outer seals, just waiting for inner seals and me over fenders so I can cut my rear arches and find more bog.
Yeah.
Bog.
What fucking hell's a bog?
Toilet.
It sounds like fucking something like the arsehole.
No, bog.
Filler.
Filler.
Fuck, mate, no.
You know it's going to be everywhere.
It is, isn't it?
Oh, yeah. 100%. So, yeah, hope you enjoyed the episode. Stay tuned. Like, subscribe, comment and all that jazz that you do on YouTube and that. Don't know if there's going to be an episode next weekend because I've got to go sort out my old workshop because that's the last day in my old workshop. So, got to go clean that out and sort that out, haven't we? Unless I film that, I could film that really.
Yeah.
Would do.
But if not, Muppets will be back in a fortnight.
Yeah, if not, we'll be back in a fortnight on a Tuesday. So, yeah, thank you for watching. And again, like, subscribe.